This conference will now be recorded.
So I have built this visualization. Okay. Uh, save. We can go for save this visualization. How we can save this particular dashboard? So you can go for file, save. Okay. Click on save. Click on save. So while you are saving, we have the two ways to we can save this workbook. One is a .twb format and second one is .twbx format. One is the .twb format and second one is the .twbx format. One is the Tableau workbook. The second one is Tableau packaged workbook. Tableau packaged workbook. So what is the difference between TWB and TWBX? The question was difference between .twb and .twbx. Okay. So how we can get? So if you save your data in .twb, if you save your data in .twb, it's only save your visualization. Only it will save your visualization, connection information, data source information only. Okay, only connection details and visualizations only can be saved. Okay, so let me save this sample one. Okay, sample one. Okay, this is a workbook. I'm saving it. I'm in my documents. Save it. Okay, I saved this particular work. If I save the if I saved it in my .tw format in my local machine, if I share this particular file to you, you cannot see the any visualization. You cannot see any visualization. Let me drop it to you all. Okay, just go for let me drop you all. I will send you this file to you. So who are connected from laptop, you can try to connect it. You cannot open the visualization. Okay, you cannot see the visualization. So I'm dropping that image to you. Let me go to let me send it by email. Yeah, I will send it later. Let's see that. So you can go for check it. First open that TWB format. Okay, open the TWB format. You cannot see any visualization. It will ask you that to connect to the data source. It will ask you that connect to the data source. Okay, because it doesn't save any data. It save only the visualizations what you do that and connection information and data source information only. Whereas if we go for save your visualization in .twbx format, okay, rightmost save as. If you save your data in .twbx format, you can save automatically. .twbx format can create extract as well. So you can save the data in, you can save the data as well in the .twx format, and the same time custom things, what are the custom things you did it, those are all can be saved in the .twbx format. Okay, what is the advantage compared with the .twb is you can save the data as well. What are the source you have it, that source data also you can save it, connection information, data source information, and at the same time visualizations and dashboards which you can build it, those are all can be saved into the .twbx format. It's a packaged workbook. Everything related to that visualization, everything can be saved. Okay, if you share this .twbx format to the some other person, they can directly uh, go for see your visualization using that file, opening that file and reading it. But in the .twb format doesn't happen. It will ask you that connect to the data source, because data source information we cannot included in the .twb format. Data cannot be included in the .twb format, but in the twbx format we can go for save our data as well. What is the data source related to those visualization, that is also as be included as a package. Okay, that is the major difference between .twb and twbx. Clear? What is a dot TWB and TWBX?
So if then why we will be using TTV instead of that we can use this only, right? And since it will consider
You go for
having that.
TWB if you want to do some custom changes. It's like when you say that save it in TWB, the
Yes.
entire Tableau workbook can be saved in the XML format. Okay, the format is XML format. It can be saved. You can go for edit that file. On top of that, you can go for do that any customization in the code also you can do it. Okay, if you save this file, suppose whatever the file I have it, I saved it in TWB, right? So go for check that file, documents, can select, you can go for write documents.
Yeah, I have one TW, what I saved. Can I tell?
Yeah, send with everybody by WhatsApp. It's like if they can open it or not. Yeah, even send to me as well, I will show you that. Okay, see that TWB format which we saved it just before 9:29. Okay, if I go for check it, right mouse hit. Okay, open with, open with. You can always choose a different app, more apps, Notepad. Oh, you can see this. This is the XML code. XML code. Okay, you can go for do the modifications on the XML code and you can save it based on some requirements. If you want to do some custom add-ons to your visualizations, you can go for modify it. Okay, once you modify later, you can go for save it in TWB X format. Okay, so earlier days, good question asking that. So earlier days, where you can go for single visualization, uh, max we can go for drag the 15 dimension fields into the either rows or columns. 50 dimensional fields. Okay, so that's option. Not more than that, you cannot be added. Okay, if you want to add more number of fields, you need to go for XML file and you need to be updated here. You need to be updated the number of fields you want to be added in the Excel and you save it, then it will be work. Okay, so the customization we can do in the Excel file once you saved into the TWB format. And same you can go for analysis to table layout, and here you can advance. So here you can see that maximum number of level of rows labels are 50. Okay, by default earlier it was around 25 is there, there we can go for extend to until 50, and maximum level of columns labels we can have it 60. We can increase that column labels to see that until what level we can go for increase that. So more than 50 and you want to be increase it, let's take this maximum level of maximum levels of row labels, maximum levels of row labels. Go for stretch it in the XML, control F, maximum level of row labels. Okay, no, it's not finding anything. Let me scroll down. So this is all XML code, background of our worksheet. Okay. See that Windows worksheet name sheet 3. What we used in the sheet 3, all information you can find it. Page name, top, column, rows, title, script, right. Class worksheet name sheet 2, size and all that. Let me find that. Oh, it's not looking for me. See this totals, unit cost, units. Which are the measures we are using based on that. Subtotal scope, okay. So where we have it. So we do that changes in this file actually. So let me get it. Abbreviation. I can put it here. Let's try it now. We can go for analysis, totals, total layout, advanced. So maximum level, column level, show, show bottom of even there. I say vertical axis, default label bottom or view. Okay. Maximum levels of horizontal row label. Format at mask label, show valid true. Next. You can see here scope of that format display field labels. Scope is row, values is false. Format at mask values is true labels. Format at mask. Maybe latest version I'm checking that. Maybe there is any changes came. Let me check that. So we can modify what are the things you want to be customized. That's we can do it from this XML code and we can save it back. Okay, and directly we can open it into the that particular Tableau desktop, using the Tableau desktop. Okay, maybe they have changed, some new changes is came, so we can do that customized it that Excel format level. Okay, so that's why we saved it into the .twv format. Okay, next TWB axis where you want to go for package work, everything can be saved into that package, right? So go for work on this today. So try to build visualizations and come up with some solution from tomorrow. Okay, so it will useful for you. What are the concepts we have done? Filters, parameters, and do not chart. We discussed last session, we discussed, right? And the charts which we have it. Go for build those visualizations and bring up with some solution. Okay, clear? Any questions?
Where we can see this XML format.
If you save your workbook in the format, okay, the path you saved it, right? That path,
Yes.
TWB file, open it in Notepad.
Okay, okay.
You can see that XML code. Clear, everyone? And one more interview question. Just we can go for go by daily one interview question or two interview questions. So today, what is my interview question is? I have a one field in the table. So SQL interview question. I have one field in the interview table. I want to get the second highest salary from that table. I want to get the second highest salary from the table. How we can get it? I have a table. In the table, I have only one field called as salary. Okay, only one field called as salary. I want to get that second highest salary from that. How we can get that?
Only one field. Means it can show in the column level or how it can show?
The salary can have the multiple values. The salary 20,000, 10,000, 40,000, like.
Yes, yes. Okay. So then we can
Can we write a formula, calculated formula like salary is
calculated
greater?
or
No,
parameter.
I am not asking at Tableau level, SQL level.
Okay, I
Okay,
can
in the
say that.
SQL query.
Select max salary from table where then again salary greater than of same quote. If we can write that, second highest will come.
Give me clear. Correct. Again, tell me that that's correct.
Uh, Select max salary
Okay.
from table
Okay.
where salary
Where is
salary
greater
less than
than
greater than same formula again. Select max salary from table. That is same. If we put that, second highest will come.
Almost similar, but you need to be clearly say that. Okay. It's almost correct. Select a max salary.
max salary.
Okay. From table. Suppose table is EMP, where sal here greater than or less than.
Greater than.
Greater than.
No, greater than is wrong. Greater than will
Oh,
give what?
no, no, because this is a greater than, we need a less than this. That means lesser than. Select max salary.
Less than means remaining all we will get, no sir.
Yeah. Let me explain it. Select again max of cell. Okay. Again max of cell from EMP. Okay. So first inner part of the query will execute. First in part of the query will execute. This will give you that. This will give you that max salary. Suppose max salary is 40,000. Okay, max salary is 40,000. What happens here? The entire query result would be 40,000. Okay. So now I wanted the second highest salary here. Already max salary you are getting that 40,000. If you make it greater than here, you get any result? This is already max salary from the list. Okay. This is already max salary from the list. If you put it greater than here, there is no max salary in the table. This is the highest salary. So
Yes, yes.
here you can put the less than symbol. When you say that less than, what are the remaining fields are there? Those will be part of remaining salaries. What are there? Less than 40. From that max salary we can get it. From that max salary we can get it. That is the second highest salary. Okay. That is the second highest salary. Clear?
Means the result will come after 40,000. What are remaining? The rest of values will get. Yes.
Only second highest salary we can get it. Suppose let me write a query here. Select sal from EMP table. I have only sal in this EMP table. Guess that. Okay. So try to write it and execute it. So can we see that these are the different salary amounts are there? Okay. 15 records are there. These are the different salary amounts. So let it put them into the descending order. Order by DSC. Okay. Order by DSC we can mean descending order. We are getting all in descending order. Sorry, something is let it remove this. Okay, go for select, execute it. No, what happened? D let's describe order by ASC, put it ascending order. Anyhow you want to get it max bottom right. Select all from MP. Why order by class is not showing? Let's see that. So this is the list we have it. What is the highest salary here? What is the highest
30,
salary? What is
30,000.
the highest? Second highest salary?
5,000.
5,000.
5,000.
Yeah, my output should be 5,000. Second highest salary is 5,000.
Yeah, here in value we got a 5,000. Right.
So write the calculation. Write the select max sal from EMP.
Where
Sal from
salary
EMP.
greater than 30,000.
What is the max sal? 30,000.
30.
Okay, this is my inner query. On top of this, I can write one more query. Okay, this is inner query which we get it 30,000. So when I say that less than here, okay, so less than 30,000, what are the salaries are there? Those we can get it. Okay, I can say that less than sal. So here I can get it select max sal
Sorry.
from EMP where sal less than or equal to this score. Okay, where sal less than or equal to this score. So let me go for execute it. 5,000 is output. This is
Yeah.
very important question in interview. In each and every interview, you can get this question. What is the second highest salary? What is the third highest salary? What is the fourth highest salary? So for the second highest salary, okay, you can write it sub query and you can get it. If they ask you that fifth highest salary, sixth highest salary, how we can get it? Mahantesh, how we can get that?
We can create a rank function, dense rank, by using dense rank.
Okay, rank function. How you write the SQL? Give me the SQL they will ask. Everyone say that by rank function we can do that, but give me the SQL. They will ask you the SQL.
Okay,
Okay.
you want to say that. Sorry, I thought you were saying to your. So I can say that we can write a select same select star or e dot star in like giving the alias name. Then I will be open the bracket. Oh, sorry, I got confused. It's been while I
Okay,
just recollect.
Oh, is the greater than?
these are the queries should be very noted because
Yes,
these
yes.
questions must
It's advanced level actually. Yeah, we need to practice.
sal
Select,
comma
select
rank
star.
you have to take, not
r-
star, not required star. Okay. I
Okay.
want only top three salary amounts or ranks. Okay. Select
Okay.
sal comma rank.
Okay.
Okay. So rank function we are using over. So in the over class, you need to mention that
Shall
order
order.
by
Yeah. Shall order by.
order by sal order by measure sal descending order DESC. Put it in descending order. Okay. What happens here? The data can be the rank will be made that sal order. They can make salary into the particular order descending order. Then it will give the rankings, which is the highest cell. First row, one ranking, second ranking, third ranking. Okay, first it will go for put it the values into the order, descending order. Then it will give the ranking for that each row 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 like that. Okay. Once we have given the rank, so this field I can say that this particular field which I given as rank. Okay, rank I can. Uh, so from which table we can take it? From the table EMP. The table from EMP. Okay. So let's see that what we get output here. Let's run this. So order by class. Okay. Okay. Over order by sales executed back. So what it getting?
Order of salary.
This
Like
the salary is in order 30,000, 5,000, 3,000, 3,000, 2,928 like that. Okay, we are getting proper order, right? Then once it is in order, from this, what I want to get it? From this query, I want to
second
get the
where
second highest
condition.
salary or whatever the third highest salary you want it. Okay, take this into input of the query, go for it. Okay, select select. Okay, what we required is sal comma rank rn. You wanted only sal, you can take it, or the rank, keep it only sal. Okay, sal from inner query. I can take it that sal from the inner query. Okay, and out of this query where rn, we for the inner query we created rank is rn, right? Rn equal to 2. Rn equal to 2. Okay, this is very simple query. For any max salary wanted, you can get it. Second highest, just give it 3. You can get the third highest. You can give it 4. You can get the fourth highest. Okay, you can go with the fourth highest. If you can get the fifth highest salary, we can get it here. Which highest salary you wanted, you can get it. Okay, simply number giving here. So one, you need to take it one query, inner part of that, select sal comma rank over order by sal DS descending order as rank from the EMP. So this is all one column. This is all one column. This is, you need to write it. Once you write it, name it as RN. Name it as RN, alias name. Okay. So close this query. Select sal from the particular in part of query where RN is equal to 5. Very simple. Okay. So if you practice this one, only the rank function, I can write it, you can write it. So remaining part all same. Okay, remaining part all same. Clear that? So here in between, suppose he asks you that, bring that the rank 3 to rank 4, rank 3 to rank 7, rank 3 to rank 8. So 3 to 8 ranks I wanted, 3 to 8 ranks I wanted. We just put it between
5 and 2.
to 6. So the ranks between 2 to 6, we can get it output. So in Snowflake, how they can take it as, I am not sure that. Between, or you can use it, rank in 2 comma 6. I can mention it. Let's see that. So then it will give 2 and 6 ones. Between only we need to use it. Let me check this. You can see that only 2 and 6 are coming.
Yeah, yes.
Only 2 and 6 are coming. Between only we need to use it. Let's see that. When you use the in operator, only 2, 6. So if they ask you that only second and sixth highest salary wanted, you can use the in operator, rank in 2 comma 6, we can get that. Clear? So let's go for RN between 2 and
Yeah, this will give us a result.
let's see, try this.
Yeah,
Can
this
you
is
see that? So this is the way we can write a syntax, and we need to write the syntax so they don't compromise with your explanation. They will ask you the syntax. Okay, we need to go with this.
and if sorry, just if I have more columns, so here you will mention cell the in cell comma again next column.
Yeah, so if you have the dimension, actually this is only one column you
Only
have
one
it.
method. Yeah,
So I
okay.
want to the department wise, each department highest salary I wanted. Then you need to go for use the group by or having class to do that. Tomorrow session we discuss that. Okay, we can go
Okay.
for 2 more scenarios tomorrow. Okay,
Because only
how we
for
can get.
salary is a very easy query. Where I was practicing was lengthy little bit.
Yeah. Okay, even you have the multiple fields, I can go with the only salary field and we can get it. Okay.
Yeah. Yeah. Okay.
Yeah, just note it down. For each Tableau interview, they will ask you some SQL questions. This is mandatory. 5-6 questions they will ask you related to that SQL. Only these questions. I will give you all the questions. On top of 5, they ask you 3 questions you answered, you will be get selected. Okay.
Is data analyst will write a SP also in SQL? No, right?
Stored procedure very rare we can write it, but basic knowledge we need it. Okay. We require the basic knowledge as well. Yeah. Now today we can go for see that remaining things at date functions. So what we have it, we created date and start date to end date we created, and calendar we created, and we calculated using the date add function how we can bring that previous month sales, and how we can get the previous year previous quarter sales also we have seen that. So today we can see that how we can calculate it MTD QTD YTD sales. Okay, it can be calculated by different methods, but we can go with each and every steps, very simple method. What is mean by MTD QTD YTD? What is mean by MTD QTD YTD calculation? What exactly MTD YTD QTD? Anyone?
Year to date, quarter to date.
Exactly. Okay, year to date sales,
YTD means
month.
year till date, MTD month till date.
Yeah.
This conference will now be recorded.
And there is no voice actually.
Yeah. Sorry, I'm speaking on mute. Yeah. Let's write the calculation for YTD first. Let's go for write calculation for YTD. Next. So I want to get that sales from starting day of this year to till date. What was the sales I want to get it until yesterday? So how we can write the calculation? YTD sales I want to represent here. So if statement I can use it. If the first condition, if so my date should be less than today, right? My date should be less than today. I want to get it starting day of the year to till date. Till date means until yesterday. So then first condition, the date should be less than today, right? Correct?
Yes. Yes.
Yeah. So my date is order date. I have the order date field is the date field. It should be less
Today.
than
Today.
today. Today we have it, right?
Yes.
So today. So this condition will take that the days are before today. All the days before today. Okay. So it may be the last year. It may be the 2018. It may be the 2019. It may be the 2020. All the days come under this. Okay. All the days will be part of this condition. But less than today. All the days which are less than today, we can get it here. Next, and 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 we can write one more condition here. So year function we have it, right? Year of order date. So year of order date is equal to year of order date is equal to year of today.
Screen struck to me, to everyone or to me only.
Yes, yes, it got start.
It's got getting stuck.
Yes, sir.
Okay,
Yeah.
let me check. Let, let me check. So actually, because of the rain, my Wi-Fi was disconnected. It's getting trouble. Let me check that. Yeah, let me know once you can see my screen. So promptly it's showing you. I'm moving my mouse over calculation. Can you see it? Mouse movement is there.
Yes, yes.
Okay. So this is the condition I can write. If order date is less than today and year of order date is equal to year of today. Year of order date is equal to year of today. When these two conditions are satisfied, I want to bring my sales field. When these two conditions are satisfied, I want to bring my sales here. End the statement. Okay. So what is the error? Anyone tell me? What is the error in the calculation?
Today,
Sales.
from
Here,
today.
here we have to keep in single quotation.
No.
Today spelling is wrong. TODA.
Year of
Exactly.
today.
A1.
Here it's a red mark also it's showing that today. Okay. Spelling was wrong. Okay. So this is the calculation will bring us from starting day of the year to until yesterday what was the sales has happened. Okay, any questions? Is it clear how what we written here? The simple calculation, if order date is less than today, first I am saying that my date should be less than today, all the days which we have it. So the sales related to order dates only, right? The sales we have related to order dates, all the order dates are less than today. Okay, can you go for give it orders tomorrow? No, right? It's order dates. So all the order dates should be less than today means from how many years of data you have it, all the years order date will be in the list. We can get output. Okay. Next, what the condition I want to satisfy and year of order date is equal to year of today. So year of today means what we can get the results. Year of today means what is the result we can get it?
2022.
This year
Yeah,
starting to till
2022
date.
we can get.
Oh,
So
yeah.
from the order date also it will take it as which is the year is 2022. From the order date also it will take it as 2022 only. Okay, the condition satisfied. When is today is 2022, today year. The from the order date also it will take that only 2022 matching. Okay, then take the sales. Okay, for time being us we don't have the 2022 data in my data set. Just I am going to 1 year back. Okay, 1 year back I am going for it. So because for the data set we don't have the 2022 data in say sample superstores. Okay, so then which year data we can get it? So in this case entire
2021.
2021 data we can get, entire 2021 data we can get it. Okay, apply. Okay, so let's see that, take the order date and sales. Take the order date and sales. Can we see that YTD value and 2020 value of general sales is matching? So this is the general sales field which can be gated 2018, 19, 2020, 2021 data. This is the calculation I written for that previous year YTD. So YTD means year to date, but we mentioned that -1 because of we don't have the data for current year. Okay, which is matching here.
Okay. Yes, yes.
So this is a YTD calculation. This is the way we can write it. YTD calculation. Okay, this is the way we can write it. YTD calculation. Okay, and you can go for same. Similarly, we can go with write MTD calculation, month to date calculation. Okay, let's go for analysis. Create calculated field. How we can write the month to date? Anyone can tell me month to date calculation?
MTD. Yeah.
Okay.
If
Yeah.
the order date,
Order date.
order date,
Less than today.
order date today,
Less
less than today,
Yeah.
and
And
and and uh, order date
Month of order date.
and order date
what is that? Tell me again.
Month of order date.
Month of order
month
date.
of
Okay.
order
Month
date
of
order date and today month of order date to today
now what you mentioned it.
yeah today
Month of order date equal to it should be matched, right? Month of order date equal to month of today.
month of today
Date equal to month of today. What will give us? What would be the result here? Month of today means what it will take it?
yeah from
Month of
month
today is 7.
first to the 31st yeah
It will give the seventh month. It will give the
yes
seventh month. Month of today will give the integer value of that particular month. It will return the integer value of the month. 7 will be written. So same like month of order date will return the seventh different month. What are the months we have it? From the different months we can match with today's month. Okay, equal to 7. So the months are matched. So that would be enough for this.
so actually that year we need to mention I think because
Why? Why we here need to be mentioned?
we don't have current year no so that's why we need to mention 2021 last year
Yeah. So generally, if we go with only month, so month of order date will get that 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 like that. Okay. So month of today will give us only 7. Only 7. So the first formula we are saying that uh, the dates are less than today. Okay, all the dates less than today we can get it. Second formula, month of order dates. Okay, these months may be from the current year, it may be the previous year also. If you have data for previous year, those months also will get it. 2 months before data also you have it, those months also included here, right? Seventh month will be there in the all the every year. 2020 seventh month is there, 2019 seventh month is there, 2018 also seventh month is there, right? So
okay
these are
all
all
the year
data.
will display
So all the years of seventh month data will sum and we can get the output. But we wanted only current year seventh month data. We wanted current year seventh month data. Then what we need to mention it is we need to write and year of a date, year of order date
order date -1
equal
or
Why you are putting -1? Think about it. Well, what is the purpose you are putting -1? Year of today. So why I'm saying here, year of order date is equal to year of today. So what will be the year of today output? What it will give us? Year of today will return that
22.
current year
Yes,
2022. So at the same time, year of order date also will be written that
20.
2022.
Yes.
So the matching year we can get. So when the year is matched and the month also matched, then bring the results. Then sales. Then sales and end. Then sales and end.
This conference will now be recorded.
Okay. So this will get that sales output. Okay. So why we are getting error this time? Any guess? Why we are getting error this time? So no error mark is there. Let's see that calculation. Expected closing parenthesis or comma while passing argument list for the year. Where is the closing parenthesis missing? Can you identify it?
In second year of the order date, their parenthesis is missing before equals
Yeah,
to, yeah.
we need to close that parenthesis. Closing parameter. Okay. Yeah. So then we can go for click apply. Okay. So does it get the values now? No, because we don't have the current year data. It will get that current month information. So 7/15/2022, but we don't have. As we see that, we don't have data for it. It doesn't populate anything here. Okay, let it be, customize it, edit. What I will do is, suppose if I go for -1. So here also I'm going to year of
This
-1.
what I said actually. -1 at the time I said we not get like that. I thought and I said.
Where you are saying after before the equal to you are saying -1.
Yeah, yeah.
So this also need to be mentioned, right? After that you can say it, I want to go for the previous year. That's why I need to -1. The clarity should be
Yes.
required. Why you are writing -1? Because current
Oh,
year data we don't have it. I want to go back to the previous year. That's why I need to write year of today -1. That will give that previous year data. Okay, that will give us previous year data. So at the same time, previous year data, you can see that what we can the previous year data we can get it. It can be matched with. It can be matched with entire year data. We can get it here because entire year data we can get it because month order date is equal to month of today. Let's see that maybe it will get it only July data. So month of today is nothing but a we have it 7. Yeah, we can get it month of order date is equal to month of today. Month of today is 7 we can get it. Anyhow we can go with, yeah, let's see, July 7 previous year data we get it. So the MTD value is 45264. 45264. Okay, so let's see that. Go for new sheet. Go for new sheet and order date you can take it. From the order date you can go for year level. Okay, so put it the months here and sales. Okay, 2021 July month data how much? 45 264, right? 44 265, right? So we are getting the same 45 264. Clear that? So we are getting the same month data in the last year, but not with the same month data, but entire month we are getting. Data was for entire month, not for the only 15th. We are getting for entire month data for the last year same month. Okay, so this is also a good example for you to practice. So if I want to go for previous year same month data, I want it previous year same month total data, you can go for use that. Month of order date is equal to month of today, year of order date is equal to year of today, comma -1. Okay, is it clear? Any confusion or getting difficulty? Simple example, it's order date less than today, we have it. So when you go for real examples, here anyhow we can get that data for until yesterday. Okay, we no need to go for, just we can remove it here, we can get the current year until yesterday data. So when I putting -1, I am going back to the previous year. I am going back to the previous year.
So I
Okay,
want to show a particular month. How can we can add the number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 like
what is the
a particular
particular
month
month
like
mean?
February? Yeah, like
Sorry,
I want to see the February month MTD.
so
It is
February month.
showed current MTD, no? Current month MTD. Yeah.
Okay, this is the month of, we have it here, current month 7. I want to go for February month.
Yes,
Current
yes.
month means how many days you want to go back?
Yeah. Now 7, 5 months.
5 months. Okay, just duplicate this, just duplicate it, edit it. I want to go for -5. You can give it -5.
Okay.
Okay, this will give that month of today 7, it will give you -5. You can go for it. It's the second month February. Apply. Okay, let's take this one as well. Okay, what will be the results?
20,
20,301.
301.
Can you check it in the here? 20,301
Yeah,
is
got
getting.
it. Yes, yes.
Okay, so it's like understanding the
Yes.
calculation. You can extend it. Which level you want it, you can go for write the calculation and understand that calculation important. Okay, you can extend it how you want to go for it. All right. Same, you want to go for 2018, just put it 2 here. You can go for 2019 data. We are getting 2021, sorry, 2020 data. Okay, 2020 February data we can get it. 2020 February data. Okay, so apply it. Okay, 2020 February data, 22,979. Can we check that? 22,979.
Yes.
Okay, same way how you can return calculation for MTD, same way you can write it. Try to understand only one calculation, remaining all very simple. Okay, whereas you return the month, put it quarter. Just put it the quarter. I want to get the QTD. Where you have the month, just put it the quarter, you can get the QTD value. Okay, apply. Okay, where is that QTD? This is YTD. We have modified it. Yeah, we have modified. Click OK. So this is used to bring the QTD. Okay, sum of MTD, right? So this is the QTD actually 196 252 2020 21 196 252 is You can go for this one. QTD means which month we are in? July, August, September. Some of these three values, we can get a third quarter. Okay, some of these three values it will be match. Okay, yeah, try to work on this today. This MTD, QTD, YTD, and what is the scenario I given. Okay, tomorrow we can go for more scenarios and how to use the parameters to go for the previous year and previous month thing. Okay, and once we complete tomorrow I will take the session. Is it possible to join early around what time we have it? 8:30.
Sure, Anand. It's cold.
Okay,
I'll
yeah,
go
yeah.
right.
So try to spend some time. Okay, okay. Yeah, we can close early. That's why I'm asking. If you we can try to join early. We can close early.
Okay.
Okay. Yeah. Thank you, everyone. See you tomorrow.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah. Thank you.
Thank you.